Hi guys, and welcome to MK Sportscars. Well, something a little bit different today. Not a 7S, a very modern twist on a kit car. It's a rear engine car, mid-engine almost really, with a chain drive. But it's got the famous bike engine in it, the Hayabusa engine in there. But with a twist, it's add that extra little bit to it. It's got a supercharger on it from TTS Performance. The thing is an absolute weapon. It's running 280 horsepower at the rear wheel, so that's sort of calculated 310 plus horsepower at the calculated fly. It weighs under 500 kilos, it's like 450 kilos this car, so you're talking in the region of 700 brake horsepower per tonne. An absolute weapon. It also has on here lots of other things that I'm going to bring you in and show you some details. Right, let's talk about the car while it's in its static position. As I've said to you, Gen 1 Hayabusa engine, TTS supercharger on here, Rotex supercharger, running, as I said to you, 280 horsepower at the wheels with a chain drive on it, so it does actually lose less horsepower at a calculated fly. Big old intercooler up here, which is nice. It's got an electronic paddles on here, so up and down shift, and it's flat up and down. It's got an auto blip on it. Nice set of instruments, a big gear indicator in here to tell you what gear number you're in, and a big brake pack on it. Now, I'm going to say that's enough talking about static. You want to see how this thing goes. Well, I'm going to hand over to Andy, and he's going to talk you through the car.
So we're in something a little bit different today. Mevabusa. I'm going to cut straight to the chase, give you the important information we all want to know. 279 wheel horsepower, 400 odd kilos, roughly around 700 wheel horsepower per tonne. It's a supercharged Suzuki Hayabusa engine. It's absolutely bloody mental. Oh, right. Oh, I'll have to slow down for a minute or two to have a chat with you. It's very difficult to think about anything else whilst you're driving. Oh. So with all the aero in the car, independent suspension all the way around, 4-pot calipers all the way around. So we're chain drive on this car, which I thought would make a huge difference. I can't really notice it, but something is different. You're saving quite a bit of weight from that. That shows. That really does show. Oh, the handling. Oh my God. The response from the supercharger is so instant, so much torque straight away. It just throws you a mile down the road before you know what's happening. With a child brain on, you think there's no such thing as too much power. I'd be inclined to agree with anyone who says that, but this is very close to too much power. Oh my God, what a head turner. That exhaust note, the colour, the exo shape, the aero, you can't help but get heads turning in this thing. This car is for sale. It is up for grabs. And for the price, it's a bloody bargain. There's other features of the car, Tear Dynamics wheels, Toyo Proxy tyres, but nobody really cares when you've got 700 wheel horsepower per tonne. It just doesn't matter.